I was in a hurry and didn't pay close enough attention. Turns out that the emergency brake was on the truck. Luckily, the fella in the red shirt in the video actually took the emergency brake and put it in the off position. So the truck started moving, but you can see that the passenger side front wheel is also locked up. My channel is not the only one here in YouTube land that has a soft spot for these older international trucks. When I think of these old binders, there's two fantastic channels that come to mind. The first of which is my buddy Jason over at CV Customs. Jason owns his own business. He works on a lot of customers' projects as well as his own. He's actually done quite a few diesel swaps into older trucks, and he's in the process right now of completely rebuilding a mid-50s four-wheel drive international pickup and swapping in a 5-cylinder turbo Mercedes-Benz diesel, so that will be very interesting to watch. And the other channel is a wealth of inspiration here on YouTube. You can't mention anything about medium or heavy-duty trucks without talking about JC Smith of JC Smith Projects. He works on a lot of medium and heavy-duty trucks. He owns his own business. He converts a lot of cabin chassis and box trucks into rollbacks and wreckers and dump trucks. He's just a wealth of inspiration, and he inspires me to take these projects of mine and build them a little bit better. So if you want to check both of those channels out, if you like the content that I have, it's a lot similar. I'll leave them linked in the video description below. Go ahead and head over there. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to them. Just do me a favor, drop down the comment section and tell them Zane sent you. But as well as those two channels, I wanted to talk about a few others. A massive thank you to my buddies James and Kyle from Central Oregon Shenanigans. They have also helped me out here on YouTube since day one. They believed in my small channel when I had basically no subscribers, and now I'm up past 10,000, so it's just amazing the help that those guys have given me. Their channel, they work on a lot of OBS Ford trucks. And then I also wanted to talk about Wesley Johnson from Wesley Johnson. He has helped me out tremendously as well. His channel, he has a four-wheel drive F600, a lot like my yellow truck. Then there's Cody from YDoc Productions. He works on OBS trucks as well. He's working on a white F-150, fixing it up right now and making it look really nice. Then you have James from Third Coast OBS. He works on OBS Ford trucks as well. He's actually rebuilding a Ford Lightning as we speak and trying to do a little bit of work on that whenever work will allow him. But then you got Jason over at Sparks Fire and Baling Wire. He works on a lot of older tractors. He's restored a Alice Chalmers WD-45. He's in the process of working on another tractor as well. I just wanted to say a special thanks to all of these channels, and they will be linked in the video description below. It's very hard to make it here on YouTube, and I know if you like my content, you will like theirs as well. When I find a great channel out there, I want to try to promote their content and help them out as best as I can, because I've definitely had help myself here on YouTube from other channels. And I wanted to say a special thank you as well to the subscribers out there that always like these videos and share them amongst their friends, leave kind comments and kind words of inspiration, because at the end of the day, all the commenters out there are what inspire me to come outside and work on these projects. So thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I truly appreciate that. Now, I already know what you're thinking. You're probably watching this on your phone or your television right now, and you're screaming at the screen saying, Zane, did you seriously just drag home yet another project truck? Well, the short answer is, yes, I did. I could not pass this deal up. This truck sat about 5, maybe 10 minutes away from where I live at, so it was very close. I drove by it for quite a few years, and I finally stopped and asked the older gentleman that had it if he would sell it, and he said that he would. Long story short, it's here. He's a very nice older gentleman, very accommodating. He let me film on his property. Whenever I showed up to get this truck, his nephew, I believe that's who it was helping him split wood, and they actually stopped what they were doing to help me load this on my rollback. His nephew steered it while I winched it up on the bed of my rollback truck. So I wanted to say thank you to both of them. They were very accommodating, and I like dealing with nice people. There's nothing worse than needing something and having to buy it from somebody that's very rude or that doesn't appreciate your business. But these people were nothing like that. They were very nice. I want to say thank you to them. We'll go over the future plans of this truck in a video, and I'll show you what kind of shape it's in. And I just wanted to say that I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment or a question down below. Consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And as always, just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. Now that this video is over, how about you go outside and work on something? My name is Zane. and I'll catch you next time.